Aston Martin has introduced its first ever SUV, the DBX, in the Indian market. The new Aston Martin DBX comes with a starting price of Rs 3.82 crores ex-showroom India. The company joins a long list of increasing supercar brands to introduce an SUV in their portfolio. Although an SUV, the DBX continues to feature all the signature elements of an Aston Martin. This includes the DB grille at the front, muscular bonnet lines with the LED headlamps. The DBX also comes with the brand's signature ducktail boot lid spoiler at the rear, LED tail lights and the twin exhaust integrated into the rear bumper. The Aston Martin SUV also comes with flared wheel arches housing a set of large 22-inch alloy wheels, frameless door and a coupe-like roofline. The Aston Martin DBX continues to offer a host of features combining both sporty and luxury characteristics. The cabin of the DBX comes with the premium leather upholstery all around, sporty seats molded from the ones found in the DB11. There are also a host of bespoke elements all around, along with other comfort and convenience features and equipment. The DBX also comes with a large 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.25-inch digital infotainment system with Apple CarPlay as standard. There are also features such as 360-degree camera, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, wireless charging, multi-zone climate control, and a host of others available. The Aston Martin DBX comes with large dimensions, offering good cabin and boot space, allowing customers to travel in both luxury and comfort while also being practical. The DBX measures 5039 mm in length, 1998 mm in width, and 1680 mm in height. The SUV also comes with a wheelbase of 3060 mm and is said to have a ground clearance of 190 mm. The large dimensions also ensure the DBX comes with a large boot space of 632 liters, with the rear seats offering a 40-20-40 split. The Aston Martin DBX comes powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 petrol engine. It produces 542 bhp at 6,500 rpm and 700 Nm of peak torque between 2,200 rpm. 5,000 rpm and is paired to a 9-speed automatic gearbox as standard. In terms of performance, the new Aston Martin DBX claims to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.5 seconds, while having a top speed of 291 km per hour.